I just got home from an event and I'm a little drunk. I had a few glasses of wine, just being honest. I went to the Off-White Jimmy Choo event and it was really fun. I am going to change into a robe and I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare. I thought that this would be a good night to do it because I have a lot of makeup on. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do my morning skincare, so I will do the whole both skincare things. I broke out. By broke out, I have 2 zits, literally symmetrical on my face. It's probably the most annoying thing I've ever heard. I'm gonna use this jojoba oil. This is Now Solutions jojoba oil, 100% pure organic moisturizing oil. I heard that this is really good to take off your makeup, better than coconut oil, although I'm gonna show you some other products. I have really been loving the Origins Original Skin Cleansing Makeup Remover Jelly with Willow Herb. That's a great makeup remover. I also love the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. That was just, but for the last about month, I've been using jojoba oil because it apparently is like better for your skin if you're prone to breakouts than coconut oil. So I take a little cotton pad, and these are organic cotton pads, and I just remove my makeup like this. Do I think that this is the best makeup remover? I don't. This whole thing of jojoba oil was $4. So I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. I got mine off iHerb, but yeah, you can't really go wrong with that. I just feel like you have to use a lot of product to get your makeup off, but I'm gonna finish off this jojoba oil bottle and then I'm gonna go to another one. I met Lily Aldridge tonight. She was so sweet. I really didn't know what to say to her, so I was like, hi, I'm Allegra, it's great to meet you. I was wondering if I could get a picture, and she was like, yeah, I love your outfit. And I was like, I love yours. But like, I didn't know what else to say. I'm really bad at making conversation in general, but especially with people who I literally know nothing about. So I got most of my makeup off, and then for cleanser, I have been using one of 3 things. I either use the Keels Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Facial Wash. I usually keep this one in the shower. Just started using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This stuff is amazing. Or I have been using the Soy Face Cleanser. Also love this. So I'll probably stick with these 2, one in the shower and one on my sink, and then this one is just my least favorite of the 3. So I'm gonna wash my face now. Oh, now you can really see the 2 zits on my face. I feel like I would have taken my makeup better if I wasn't a little drunk, but. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about exfoliators. I deep exfoliate once a week and then I daily exfoliate. I'm gonna daily exfoliate today. Okay, so for the deep exfoliator, I use the Caudally Gentle Buffing Cream mixed with the Caudally Mask, Glycolic Peeling Mask, and I mix these 2 together on the back of my hand. I like rub it into my face, and then I leave it on my face for 10 minutes. I was told by the facialist who did my facial that this was a great exfoliator for me, and I do this about once a week, sometimes twice, depending on my skin. For daily exfoliator, I just started using the Glossier solution, the Exfoliating Skin Perfector. I literally just started using this. I was using another one before that. This is AHA, BHA, PHA, so salicylic acid acne treatment, and I was just using an AHA before. I don't really know what it was. I just like started using it because I heard good reviews, which is probably not the smartest thing. So I just put this on a cotton pad and I just rub it all over my face. No reviews on this yet because I just started using it, but I hope it works. I hope I got the results that everyone else had. I think these breakouts are caused by me going off birth control, but it could be a variety of things. I had a big weekend last weekend. My skin doesn't react well to that. While that dries, the masks that I love are the Purifying Mask by Caudally, this one, and the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask. These I use once a week, but I've been actually using this one as a spot treatment tonight. So when this feels dry, I'll go into the rest of my skincare. The first thing I use is the Caudally Essence. Done a lot of research onto my skincare routine. And Gothamista is my favorite skincare YouTuber. I think she's so knowledgeable and she really like just knows her shit, and I appreciate that. So I get most of my information about skincare off of her, but I've gone to a lot of facialists and stuff as well. Next, I'm using the Ordinary Buffet Serum. It's a multi-technology peptide serum. I always try to, you know, put my hands up. It's better for your skin. Pressing things in instead of rubbing really hard. Let that dry a bit. And Gothamese, this thing is like you go thin to thick, so that's what I do. That's a water-based serum, so I do that one first, and then I go in with my retinoid. This is Granactive Retinoid 2% emulsion from the Ordinary. Ordinary products are so inexpensive, it's amazing. I'm not sure if I should be using this on a cotton pad or not, but I try to keep it pretty precise on the areas that I need. So I'm not like getting in my eyes and stuff. I'm gonna let that sink in and dry. I then go in with the Keels Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is a 12.5% vitamin T plus hyaluronic acid. I think I really like this stuff. This stuff just came out. They sent it to me. But it seems like it's doing a really good job. It keeps my skin feeling really soft. I'm just being very gentle on my skin too when I'm putting these products on. I could then go in with an oil, but I don't think I need it right now. But I have the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. The Ordinary has this for $7 and this is $50, so I'd probably get the Ordinary one because I don't know, I blacked out and bought that one. I have no idea what I was thinking. And then the next step is moisturizer, so I'm gonna use the Laneige Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. I don't have the gel one, I have just like the normal one. Some people have said that they really like the gel one better, so maybe do some research onto that. I will probably repurchase this because I really like it. For eye cream, for night eye cream, I'm using the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. You can get this at the drugstore, it's about 20 bucks. It's pretty good, it's very hydrating. This is, they have a night cream as well, but I hadn't heard any reviews on it. I got this one instead, but maybe I'll try the night cream next. And I just focus that on the eye area. I also put it on top of my lids. I've heard multiple different things about if you should put things on top. I've heard multiple different things if you should bring eye cream up to this area. Seems like everyone has a different opinion. What can you do? So that's it for skincare. Since I do have zits right now because my body hates me, I'm going to use, where is it? Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna use the, first I'm gonna show you. If you have cystic acne, the Rene Rouleau Anti-Cyst Acne Treatment is phenomenal, like phenomenal. I think it's really good. So I have like a cystic acne pimple right here, so I'm just gonna put some of that on, and then I'm gonna use the Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask as a spot treatment today. It doesn't look like I have anything. Oh, it looks like I'm getting something there. This thing is really good because if you feel like you're getting a cystic, you can put it on where you feel like you're getting it. My hormones are just out of whack right now. I don't think that I have anything else. But so that's it for tonight. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it dry and then go to bed. I also use the Laneige lip sleeping mask for my nighttime lip care. I really love this stuff. Almost done my first jar and I already have a second jar. It just keeps my lips super hydrated. I love it. I love the smell, I love the taste, I love everything about it. I also, if my skin's feeling extra dry and I don't have any zits, I put on the Laneige water sleeping mask. But I just have that on my bedside table ready to go. Something else that really helps my skin that I feel like isn't talked about, well, two things. Water, drinking a lot of water. I mean, I shouldn't say that I have good skin right now because I don't, but the next thing is a humidifier. This is the Dyson humidifier. I keep this in my room and there's no water in it right now, but a humidifier is amazing for your skin. So good morning. Okay, so normally I would wake up and just hop right in the shower and wash my face, but I totally forgot to do my hair oil and stuff last night because I was kind of drunk. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that this morning, and then I'm gonna do some work while it like sits, and then I'm gonna shower, do my skincare. So I was gonna wash this off my face with water. This is the hair oil I've been using. This is the Blue Butterfly Organic Fortifying Scalp Serum. It's all natural. I got this off of Holistic Habits on YouTube. She has beautiful hair. So I'm just gonna put it in my hands and kind of massage it through my scalp. So you can also just like put it directly on your scalp and then rub it in. I'm gonna put some coconut oil on the ends. I was looking at my hair from when I was in high school. My hair was so long, and I kind of want really long hair again, just once, and then I won't do it again. But yeah, like grade 11 and grade 12, my hair was so long. But I hadn't started YouTube at that point, so you would have never seen it. Cut my hair off when I was going through a difficult time. Why I started YouTube, I cut my hair off and then started YouTube because like I was just going through some shit. Because I'm not washing my face right away, I'm just gonna spray my beauty elixir on my face. I'm gonna brush my teeth with this and this. Then I am going to do a little face mask. I'm gonna do the Caudally Purifying mask. Press warm water on your face if you want to open up your pores, but I'm just not gonna do that. I'm just way too lazy, and I just had a crazy deja vu. I have one of those little brushes that you can put your face masks on with, but it's the morning, okay? Did this part of my face. Now I'm gonna go like drink a coffee. I'm gonna go meditate, and then I'm gonna probably do some emails, and then I'm gonna come back and shower. And then we can do morning skincare, and we're back. I totally missed my laser appointment this morning. I answered the phone, they called me, and I looked at my phone, I was like, oh my God, like everything came rushing back that I had an appointment. And I answered the phone, oh my God, I'm so sorry. She was like, yeah, we're just making sure you're okay. So I'm just having a glass of water. I know you're supposed to drink water before you drink coffee, but I just don't. Okay, so I washed my hair. Today was a hair washing day. I'm gonna do my skincare and then do my bangs. So usually I actually really like to pluck my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows myself. I like to pluck my eyebrows when I have makeup on. I know that's so weird, but I feel like the hairs just come out easier. Probably isn't like the best thing for you, but their hairs come out easier and I can like see them better. And I really need new tweezers. Pluck my eyebrows about like 3 times a week. I always get the travel ones because I get 2 sets. I get the pointy set too, I just don't know where they are. And this for the same price as like a normal tweezer, and then I have to replace them all the time. So in the end, I'm really not saving any money. I know some people like to have like the most perfect clean eyebrows, and I just don't care that much. Okay, so after that, I go in with an eyebrow razor, and that's how I clean up my eyebrows. Some people might be scared of this, but it's just the way I like to do it. Basically, I would just brush them up like this, and then trim. And then I brush them down, which they really don't need that much trimming. So I'm gonna go in with my Caudally Essence. It's basically the same stuff I do at night. I wash my face in the shower, and I just washed it with this one of the cleansers that I showed you last night. I wash it with the soy face cleanser. Okay, let that sink in, and then I go in with the buffet. Let that sink in, and I go in with my vitamin C. The Keels one that I showed you last night. And then for eye cream, I have been using the is it Ole or Ole? Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I really like this stuff. I dropped it actually the other day and it all spilled out and I lost most of the product. I was literally devastated. I just really like the way it makes my under eyes feel and look. It has this like brightening aspect to it. Obviously it's called Banana Bright, but it has this like almost shimmery kind of highlighting aspect to it, so it's a really nice daytime eye cream. And then for moisturizer, I use the Dermalogica Pure Light SPF 50 Broad Spectrum, and oh my God, I just ran out. That sucks. This is, I find, a super lightweight moisturizer. It has SPF 50 in it, and I really just love it. Definitely repurchasing. And that's it. Okay. So I have bangs, obviously you guys know that, and I'm kind of over them, but this is how I have been styling them when they were shorter as well. So this is just how it goes. So when my hair's wet, I dry them so they're kind of in front of my face. They're so long now, but I let them dry like that. I then go in with the Aveda Be Curly. You guys have seen this before. I give the waves a little pump up, especially when my hair is super clean. The curls are a little soft, so they don't hold very well. I'll kind of just put this throughout my hair. I then go in with the Gizu Wave Spray. Never thought I'd be saying this, but I really like the Way Wave Spray better. It has better hold, it smells better, it makes my hair look nicer. but I want to finish this bottle. So then I go in with the Gizu hair oil, bring some moisture back in from the Be Curly. You could also use a hydrating balm. IGK is a great one, and that's that. So this is annoying, but this is literally how I let my hair dry. And then last but not least, I use INV. I know there's multiple different controversial reviews on this, but haven't had any problems. I've been using it for about 3 months. And I'm really happy with my eyelash length, so I only use this once a week now instead of every day. I hope you're happy that I did this on a day where I have 2 zits. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go let my hair dry in front of my face while I do some work. Bye. Just realized I didn't say peace and love you all.